Hello, my name is Anjali Rungta. I have completed my post-graduation degree in management studies with a specialization in finance, and along with my degree, I have also undergone investment banking in a hedge fund program with Magic Institute of Excellence. And recently, I got placed in line data as operation analyst through Magic Institute of Excellence. The overall experience with the investment banking course was very amazing. Session was very informative. Even the difficult concepts like equity derivative bonds was taught to us in the simplest and easy way. And even the last lecture was on derivative trading, which was live and which was very beneficial to me.
Sure.
The trainers of Magic Institute of Excellence were very amazing. The trainers are very supportive throughout the whole session. Even there are guest lectures from the industry experts like Nomura, Crasil, J.P. Morgan. I remember one of my favorite lecture was of Piyush Pandey sir. It was on global recession, and due to which I have also done my university project as global economic crisis. The course was online, but we never felt it as online because the trainers made it an environment like classroom training. And even there was a session on digital communication by Pratmesh Veling sir. It taught us how to crack interviews, how to build LinkedIn profile, and how to give interviews virtually. And they made us industry ready by taking our financial aptitude test and mock interview. I'm very glad that I chose to do the course from Magic Institute of Excellence. Thank you.